Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT is not working on your PC. So I'm going to show you a couple of solution how to fix this issue if you're having this a problem that you are not like ChatGPT is showing some errors and it is not working. If you give the prompt and the prompt isn't generating the answer, or it is taking a long time but still not giving you the correct answer. So the first one is select the three dots on top of your right screen, and here scroll all the way down and select settings and go to privacy and security. So what we are going to do is like clear all the cache data from the browser. So click this one, deleting browsing data. I'm going to unselect all of this, but you can select all of this and clear it. And I'm going to clear cache and other site data. So I'm going to select more here, and I'm going to select all time. I'm going to delete all the cache data from this browser from the beginning to now. So I'm going to select delete data, and it will clear all the cache and site data. And let's and try that if the ChatGPT is working or not. If this not helping you, you can try another solution. Select the three dots here again and go to settings. And here on the left side, scroll all the way down and select reset settings, and select restore settings to their original default. So after clicking that, it will show this windows reset settings. What this will do, it will reset everything to the default. Like when we download Chrome previously, it will like make those settings brand new and see if ChatGPT is working or not. And the another solution is go to your extension management setting. This is the icon on the right corner. You can see the extension icon. Select that and select manage extension here. And here you can see I have a lot of extension currently on. You can see this and this. So just disable all the extension by clicking the toggle on and off. You can disable that. Sometimes those extension may cause interference with the ChatGPT, and that can cause to not working properly. The ChatGPT will not work properly. So disable them and see if ChatGPT is working or not. And if this doesn't work, another thing you can do is like use ChatGPT on incognito mode. So to do that, click the three dots again here and select new incognito window. And here you can use ChatGPT and see if this fix the issue or not. So those are the solution you can try, and I hope one of them will work and solve your problem with the ChatGPT. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.